Now I must agree that you really have a ball, no?
What? You really have a ball? Ano?
Yung isa lang yung ball.
Anong bola? Anong bola yan?
You have a ball, Pards. Isa
You have a ball? Ano bang ulitin ko nga. What the
Uh-oh. Stinky.
tayo sa kongreso? Putang ina, ba't hindi na lang siya magtagalog? My God.
I know.
My God.
Out all of this qualification that was given to me by my friend who have watched you testifying on this committee. Now I must agree that you really have a ball, no? Ano kayo talaga? You were established on your foundation,
Yeah.
on the true public service that are
Yeah.
being given by you.
Wow.
And with that, Mr. Chairman, I will not be furthering my my query anymore because I believe that this person who will be testifying to us have this high credibility. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chairman.